Now, Simon Commission. Simon Commission was set up on November 8, 1927. The commission landed in Bombay on 3rd of Feb 1928. The commission published two-volume report on May 1930. Simon Commission was formed in accordance of Government of India Act of 1919 that made provision to form commission in order to find progress of government. Simon Commission was a seven-membered all-white member commission under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon, who belonged to Liberal Party under PM Stanley Baldwin. Clement Attlee, who was Prime Minister of England during India's independence, was a member of this commission and he was from Labour Party. Indian National Congress, that is the session, December 1927 session, under the presidency of M.A. Ansari, Madras, decided to oppose commission. Lala Rajpat Rai, known as Punjab Kesari, was blown lathi on his head in Lahore and died in November 1928. Bhagat Singh, as a revenge, killed white police officials Saunders in December 1928. Nehru Report. Nehru Report was prepared by all party committee headed by Motilal Nehru and Jawaharlal Nehru as secretary in the year 1928. Committee consists of 9 members including 2 Muslim members. Nehru Report demanded dominion status of India instead of complete freedom, joint electorates instead of separate electorates, and 19 fundamental rights such as freedom to form association, freedom to publish newspaper. In 1928, Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose formed Independence for India League for complete independence instead of dominion status. Lord Irwin suggested to keep Indians out of the commission, that is Simon Commission. Simon Commission recommended federal form of government. Chief architect of Nehru Report was Motilal Nehru and Teg Bahadur Sabro, who demanded first for dominion status for India. Nehru Report's subject was constitutional arrangements in India. On 28th of March 1929, session of Muslim League, M.A. Jinnah put forward his 14 points. All party conference was held in Feb 1928 in Delhi and Dr. M.A. Ansari was the president of this conference. Members of Nehru Report were Tej Bahadur Sabro, Subhash Chandra Bose, MSNA, Mangal Singh, Ali Imam, Swab Qureshi and G.R. Pradhan. That's all. Thank you.